say go.
Okay, get back there, Joe. So you.
No, I want them first.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Slide! Cooper's open! Look, I did it. Me, Charlie.
Okay, you and Charlie go.
Orange.
What happened?
Winner is Charlie! Alright, okay, me and Joe are gonna race.
Okay, you and Joe. On your mark. On your mark. I didn't say go yet.
You missed. No! Purple, orange. Yeah, I want to be orange. Don't do like your yellow.
On your. Oh my God.
Daddy's supposed to take photos. Right here. Everybody, you guys are on foot? No, I'm orange.
On your mark. Get set.
Oh, we're supposed to go. Orange.
On your mark. Get set, go.
Get it.
Oh, no. There's no lightning yet.
What is thunder?
No, not inside. You get a towel.
Thunder means get in. Yeah.
It's far away.
Thunder means get in. That's all I know. Wimpy! You know what? Right now, the community pool, everybody has to get out.
That's the community pool. That's not the backyard. When you see a lightning, then you get out. Right, Joe?
They wimp. Cooper's not wimp. Joe's a wimp in the car.